So in this video, you learn how to connect Claude AI to Outlook so you can access your emails and use Claude to summarize messages, find information, and answer questions about your inbox. So I'll show you how to authorize Outlook access and start using Claude with your email account. So first, I've already opened my Outlook account. So from here, just click on More Apps. Then from here, click Get Ads In. Here on the search bar, just type Claude and click Claude for Outlook. So from here, you just click the Add button and Claude will get added to Outlook. So from there, go back to More Apps and click on Claude. So now you have to log into your account so that you can authorize Claude to Outlook and click Login. So from there, just click. Let's continue with Google. Select the account. Click Continue. So go back to Outlook. So browser did not open, can copy the sign-in link and enter the code above. So I'll just copy the sign-in. So I'm using this browser and paste the link and press enter. Then it's signing into my account. From here, I'll just enter the code. So I'll paste and click connect. So Claude in Microsoft Office would like to connect your Claude account. So click authorize. So you are signed in. So return to app. So we have authorized Claude AI to my Outlook. So you're signed in. So allow pop-ups from Outlook. I can allow or skip. I'll skip at the moment. So for now, we can skip all these steps. Skip. Skip. So walk across your apps. You can click next. So click got it. So all these can look at yourself later. And now we have successfully authorized Claude AI to Outlook. So let's test it out. I can simply type, so delete all my Canva messages and press enter. So you can see it's working on it. So you can select, then just allow always. And you can see that, so you can see our output that all the 15 Canva messages have been moved to deleted items. So they'll recoverable from there if you need anything. So you can see that the Claude AI is already doing work on the Outlook. And that's how to connect Claude AI to Outlook. Thanks for watching and see you on the next tutorial.